To Be With You, an absolute epic early 90s gem by Mr. Big. One strumming pattern, it's impossible to pass this one by. We've got a few chords in this today because there's a key change right at the end, but generally it's a very guitar friendly, big strummy song. Any bar chords that we have can be modified into something slightly simpler. We have a C sharp minor. You can play this as a bar chord or play it just as the 4 strings in the middle and leave the thin E string resonating out, which I do often because I like the way it rings. We go to an E, an A sus2, we have a D, we have a B, which is a bar chord, but also if you want to modify this, play the B5 as a power chord and let the other 2 strings ring out. This works great for the resonating nature of the song. This is a B sus4. We have a G and we have a C add 9. The strumming pattern is really simple. Down, 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 up. This is the whole way through the song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We play this for each chord. The song doesn't have an introduction, it goes straight into the verse. The verse chords are C sharp minor, E, A sus2, E. What I would advise is on the up strums, use that as the opportunity to change to your next chord. So looking at this closer, playing the verse a little bit slowed down. One thing to note that might make it a little bit easier for you, playing from the C sharp minor to the E, the 3rd finger stays on the same string. So once you've played that C sharp minor, slide the ring finger down to fret 2 and reorientate your fingers to create the E chords. And the reverse, we can slide it back up to fret 6 and then pop the fingers around it to play the C sharp minor. Looking at the pre-chorus now, we have a rotation of A sus2, E, A sus2, E. We play D twice, and then we play the B. So whichever B you want to play. Looking at the chorus, we have the same chords, but the order is slightly rearranged. So we start with an E, A sus2, B, E. Again, E, A sus2, B, E, E, A sus2, B, C sharp minor, A sus2, B, E. I'm going to put these sections together and play you the verse, pre-chorus and chorus so you can hear how they work. 3, 4. Hold on, little girl. Stand up, little girl. But it's through. Looking at the bridge, it starts on a single raked strum of the A sus2 chord. Why be alone when we can Then we go to C sharp minor, play the normal strumming pattern. Be together, baby. G. For the last two choruses, we have an uplift in the manner of a key change, and then we revert back to the original key. So the chorus so far has been playing in E major. For the second to last chorus, we raise this a minor third to G major for some nice friendly guitar chords, and then we revert back to the original key. G, C sharp 9, D. Deep inside I hope, waited on a line of greens and blues, just to be there, back to the original key. Who wants to be with you? Deep inside I. Song structure wise, we have verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. We then have the bridge. We then have a guitar solo which plays over the chorus chords. We come back for a pre-chorus. Then we have the first key change chorus starting on the G chord and reverting back to the original key chorus starting on the E chord. In this lesson, we learn how to play Should I Stay or Should I Go by The Clash. I'll see you next time.